Okay, let's try it. Oh, that means you need to go backwards then. Oh dude, I completely forgot about this. No. That's okay. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. Don't you worry. Okay, you good. Thank you. There's that shadow there. I need to get rid of that one. Okay, I think it's just, we're just trying now. Right, this is so white here, like me. I'm very much paying attention to the aesthetic, so it's pleasing to the eye. I'm trying to think that what we could put there. Do we want to put something there, or is it, I think maybe it's the asymmetric situation shape here should be fine. Maybe nothing belongs there. You don't have to fill out every empty space, do you? That's not why we clear things out. To fill it out immediately. So what if it wants to stay empty? So this side will stay empty. These are great. I love them. Do you remember Frank? These are Frank's babies. We don't need to have a jungle behind us. A little forest here is great. An island of forest is great. Let me just check things. You know when people just get you? Like they just get you. It's such a good feeling when people just, they get you. You know, it's also good to recognize when people get you and then you're not wanting to pull away from it, but actually want to participate in that connection. Yeah, not like immediately degrading it and slipping out of it and then going to the other direction where people are not available. Story of my life, I think. So yeah, it's nice when people get you and they get your little nuances and stuff. So I think I deem it like nicely presentable, I think. Yeah, we should go with that. We should go with this. We should go with this. Okay, I'm excited now. I mean, I don't know why I meant. My mind is completely blank. I would not know what to talk about because I think I am nervous and excited at the same time. Maybe because it's a different kind of being seen and perceived. Because I got a lot closer to myself in the past 3 years than I ever thought that I could. I think it makes you, well, cautious in a way, that you want to immediately guard yourself from external impact in a way. Even if I'm in a safe space here now, I'm just waffling now and rumbling, mumbling. It's good that I tried it out. I think I would never done this. Like I'd never done trying it out and just playing around. Yeah. Because I think my mentality was that, oh, if I'm doing something, I need to do it professionally, seriously. I cannot just try things out because not how we do things. But I think, yeah, the play, well, has been always, has been missing from my life. And I think I just learned it recently that it's okay to play. It's okay to play around. So yeah, I'll leave it there. Why is that square right into my eyes and my face? It was very weird. It looked like a G.I. Joe. I think I'm now gonna go to the gym to work off some anxiety and to move my body. Yes, please. Yeah, I'll leave it there. Bye!